Hello, farms. How are you all doing? Thank you for tuning in. So today I want to make Gizdodo. My daughter has been requesting for this. I normally do it, but I've not made it on video. So today I say let me show you my own version of Gizdodo. My daughter requested it for her birthday, so I made it. We enjoy it with white rice. So this is Gizzard. I wash it, clean it. Now I allow it to boil with water and salt. So removing it from the water, make sure you wash it very well. So here are the spices I'm going to use to season the Gizdodo. We have garlic, ginger, habanero pepper, onions. So I'm going to blend all of them together. Blend it very well. So this is the ingredient I'm going to use to season the gizzard. Okay, so how are you doing? I hope you're fine. Yeah, I'm doing fine. So blending it, here is the gizzard. Remember that we have already pre-wash, pre-cook, pre-boiled it and remove the water. So here is it now, clean, and I pour the spices I use on inside it to season it. So here is the stock cube and salt. So cover to cook. Here is the plantain I'm going to use. So I've already washed the plantain before cutting it. So here is it, the oil. Testing the oil if it's hot enough to fry. Good to go. So here is the plantain. Wow, this is the outcome of it. Fry the plantain. So here is the gizzard, well seasoned, ready to fry. Another pot on fire to make the sauce for the gizzard dodo. So tell me, have you tested this before? Let me know on the comment section. So here is a bell pepper, red, green, yellow. Okay, so you can slice it the way you want, you can cut it the way you want. So this is a part of the spices I blended to season the gizzard. So I remain some for this sauce. So here is it, allow to fry, and we have the seasoning cubes, seasoning powder, salt, thyme. Okay, mix all of them together. Mix very well. Remember, it's a big quantity anyway. It's not just for the family, so it's for the party. So here is it, it's ready. So we pour our gizzard, already fried gizzard, turn very well to mix with the sauce, and here is the fried plantain. Wow. Okay, you have to mix all of them together. And I have extra bell pepper to give it a fresh color. To give it that fresh color. Okay, so now you will not cook it for a very long time, and it's done. So we enjoy this sauce with white rice. Try it and you will thank me later. Thank you for watching. Bye.